Good day to you all. My name is Nuhu Abubakar Sadiq. I will be your mathematics teacher for today. Our topic of discussion is angles. Before we proceed, let's look at the topic outlines. Introduction to an angle, classification of angles, measuring and drawing of angles, and lastly, we are going to look at properties of an angle. Introduction to an angle. An angle is the amount of distance between the directions of two lines or surfaces where they meet. In this diagram, OP and OQ are two lines which meet at O. The space formed when OP turns to meet OQ or vice versa is the angle between OP and OQ. When OP turns to meet OQ, the direction of the movement is clockwise, but when OQ turns to meet OP, the direction of the movement is anti-clockwise. The point O, where the lines meet, is called vertex. OP and OQ are called the arms of or rays of the angle. Classification of angles. Angles are classified according to their sizes as follows. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Right angle, an angle that is equal to 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight line angle, an angle that is half turn, that is, it is equal to 180 degrees. Reflex angle, an angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Triangle, an angle that has three lines. It can be acute angle, right angled, obtuse angle, or isosceles, that is, all sides are equal. Here are some diagrams showing acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees, right angle, which is exactly 90 degrees, obtuse angles, which is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, and lastly reflex angle, which is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Let's look at measuring and drawing of angles. A protractor is a mathematical instrument used to draw and measure angles. The protractor is semicircular in shape. It is divided into 180 equal divisions, that is parts. That is 180 degrees. It has outer and inner scales, which can be used to measure in either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Here is a diagram showing a protractor. Properties of an angle. Intersecting lines have the following properties. Vertically opposite angles are equal. The sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of angles at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. When transversal cut parallel lines, the properties are: 1. Corresponding angles are equal. 2. Alternate angles are equal. 3. Interior angles sum up to 180 degrees. 4. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Summary. In summary, today we have learned what an angle is, how an angle is classified, and how to measure and draw an angle, and lastly, we look at some properties of an angle. Assignment. Using your protractor, draw an angle of 45 degrees. To be submitted via training@educom.ng. Thank you for listening.